What's up, guys? Sarfo once again, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, I've been away for a while. I'm sure I'll make a video to really talk about what happened. But this is a website I designed, developed for a friend. It's a simple website, to be frank. It's really simple. And then you're going to learn how to actually, first of all, design it, and then after that, how to build it. And then that's what I'm going to do, is going to make this journey very sweet. These are the things we're going to learn from this journey. Number one, we're going to learn how to design a website in Adobe XD. It's a simple, straightforward thing, but I think being with someone sometimes it's fun. So we're going to learn how to do that. Number two, we're going to change all that design, okay, into a website. I mean, by coding everything. So with that one, we're going to see how to structure your HTML and write your HTML. We're also going to look at how to add your CSS and then that few lines of JavaScript just for the animations. Yeah, it's going to be fun. Let's take a look at the website. So there is it's straightforward. You can see on the desktop mode, we have our side nav here, and I forgot to mention, it's very fully responsive. We have our side nav here, and then we have our, when I scroll, my side nav does not move. And then it's straight, we have our avatar here, or your profile picture here. You can have home, about, books, and then there is the various sections he actually requested for. And some social media links. We have Facebook, we have Instagram, we have Twitter here. And if you come to the very main page, I know we can do better here, but this is as simple as we can try. We are trying to make it simple. So it's learning that is actually important to me. And once we get these simple things, you can actually add more stuff to it. Yeah. So we have simple somewhere, and then some little dummy text here, and then your main call to action. He happens to be a student, so he wanted us to make it in a way the person can actually get access to his CV. So download CV. I'll link this to a file if it was actually ready. And then our about page, we're going to use a grid here. You can see the grid happening, 2 columns here. And then we have a little gallery here where I only used 3 pictures so far. Once we are designing, we're going to add more pictures. Then we can make it even like how we want, and then play around with CSS grid here. And then we have some books. We learn how to make all these cards. And then yeah, actually it's fun to do. We're going to learn how to do that. And then we have these things mostly you don't see in most websites, but you happen to see in those who happen to have the frequently asked questions, the fact section. So you click on it to show your the education and all of that. We'll learn how to add them. It's all about the fundamentals of everything, and then some little advanced stuff here. And then we have our contact page where we have our form, some contact details as well. And then the forms, you see the animations that come here. This is just like 3 or 4 lines of CSS. You know this. And then you're going to see send. If I click on send, it doesn't allow you to send. And there is actually no JavaScript in here. All is pure HTML. Yeah, it's going to be fun, trust me. So if I type something in and I click out, you see it still says the way it is. But if I click submit, it's going to ask me to throw this. We're going to learn how to do all of that. And then we have some social media links. I have individual videos. You can click the I button at the top here to take it to where I will learn how to make these wonderful animations here. But then during this tutorial, I'm going to touch a little bit on it. But then if you really want to understand very well this part, I will recommend you go to my video and then have a look at it. It's actually not, it's a long video, but it's worth it, trust me. And then if you go to the smaller screens, everything is stacked on top of each other here. Our side nav that was on the bigger screen, this side nav, we squeeze it down and make it a navigation. Yeah, coming in this way, this wonderful animations. We'll look at how to make that happen easily. Yeah, and then I forgot to add some animations on the 3 stripes here. I think make sure you remind me in the comment section when I don't add it, when I'm doing the video. Yeah. And please, if you are happy about this tutorial so far and how things are going to go, please make sure to drop a thumbs up, hit the thumbs up button below. I mean, smash it right now. And then make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because I'm going to be releasing this video every 1 week. I'm going to make a playlist. So one playlist talking about how we design, another talking about the HTML, CSS. It's going to be 1 week, 1 week and 1 video. It's going to be fun, so we get time to actually digest everything. And then make sure you leave me comments about anything you don't understand, or anything you would like me to see me do, or any kind of changes or anything. I'm here to make these videos for you, so just let me know what kind of video you want and I'll get straight to it. If you come to the mobile view, you realize that everything is stacked on top of each other. It's very seamless and it's very smooth, all because of CSS grid. And this is the advantage that happens when you have designed the website already and you know how it's going to be. So it makes you pre-plan everything, and then you kind of know how things are going to go. So writing the code is straightforward, unlike those times when I actually started writing code and I don't have a design. I just have the website in my mind and I'm on paper, and it's some way. So the wireframe and then everything that we'll do in XD will be a guide for us, and it will make things very straightforward for us. So guys, that's pretty much it. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button once again. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on the upcoming videos. I know it's going to be a fun series. Let me know in the comment section anything you like to see or you would love to have me do on this channel, any type of videos, whether you want to see how I edit my pictures and all. But make sure you click this card here to take you to the next video, where we start the second video in the series, where we start talking about designing in Adobe XD. And please check once again my description below. I have my GitHub repo link there, so you can get access to the starting files, and then we'll all start together, we'll build together. And I also have the completed project down there. And also, we're going to be hosting this free on Netlify. I forgot to add that. We're going to host this free on Netlify. I'm going to show you how to host your website for free. You don't pay a single buck. I've been hosting over 20 websites there for free, and they have continuous, they serve it for you continuously, so it's there all the time. You can get access to it. And then how to even add a domain name if you actually have the chance to buy one. You can get domain name as cheap as $2. All of that, we're going to look at how that, but I'll only do that part, how to host for free on Netlify, or how to add a domain name, when we get 30 likes. Yeah, we are going for 30 likes on this particular video. If I see 30 likes on this video, then I'm going to make those how to actually host for free. So do want to share to your friends just to help each other. You know what I'm saying? Guys, please click on that video and check out what's happening. And without much ado, I'm going to catch you in the very next video. Peace.